Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. 7 basic ways to cook vegetables that can reduce their benefits. Seasonal vegetables, how to cook and prepare them in the best way. Especially in spring and summer we have fresh products available in quantity, also thanks to our vegetable garden. To cook vegetables in the best way, it is good to know what are the most common mistakes in this field to learn how to avoid them. In this way you will prepare tasty and healthy vegetable dishes. Here are common mistakes in cooking your vegetables. Number 1. Throw the cooking water. Do not throw away the cooking water used to prepare boiled vegetables or steamed vegetables. It is a precious resource. In particular, with the water of boiled vegetables you can prepare other recipes, such as creams, soups, risottos and minestrone soup, as if it were a broth. You can also use the cooking water of steamed vegetables to cook other courses. Number 2. Using poor quality oils for frying. From time to time, do you happen to fry vegetables? In this case it is good to avoid poor quality oils and aim directly at the olive oil. Some people tend to prefer other frying oils to save money, but a recent study has confirmed that olive oil is better for frying than sunflower oil, corn oil and soy oil, both in fryer and in frying pan. Number 3. Slicing the vegetables in advance. If we slice the vegetable in advance before cooking them or preparing them, we risk that these foods lose some of their precious nutrient because of the contact with air and light. Then it would be better to slice vegetable at the last moment before cooking. Number 4. Do not dry well vegetables. Do you want to prepare crispy vegetables cooked in a pan? Then be careful to dry them well before starting cooking. In fact, the water present on the still wet vegetables will produce steam inside your hot pan and the vegetables will not turn out crisp and will tend to soften too much. So if you were aiming at the crispness of your vegetables, take care of the drying time. This is a common mistake caused by haste. Take some time to dry your vegetables. Number 5. Forgetting to season cooked carrots. If you prepare cooked carrots, do not forget to dress them with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. The reason is very simple. Beta-carotene is more easily assimilated by the body after being subjected to a short cooking. In addition, vitamin A is fat-soluble, therefore to be absorbed it needs a fatty substance. So, when you cook carrots, pay attention to season them immediately with a little oil. Number 6. Adding too much salt. Vegetables have a particular taste that deserves to be tasted all the way, and not to be almost completely covered with salt. So, do not use too much salt, and maybe replace the common kitchen salt with whole sea salt and, even better, with spices that can enhance the taste of vegetables. Number 7. Drowning the vegetables in the oil. A drizzle of oil as a condiment is fine. Indeed, it is advisable to use raw oil to season the vegetables both raw and cooked. Instead, you should not overdo the amount of oil to be used during cooking in the pan. 1 or 2 tablespoons may suffice depending on the quantity and type of vegetable. If you heat very little oil in the pan well before putting the vegetable, you will notice that cooking will be faster and that the vegetable will be crispy and much less greasy. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.